winning?
Oh, it's Polly!
Patawag ka ng meeting. Oh, bakit?
Ngayong August 11 ang ika-third birthday ng bunsong anak ni Tony Gonzaga at Direk Paul Soriano na si Paulina Celestine Soriano na tinatawag nilang si Polly. Sa kanyang pagbati sa kaarawan ng bunsong anak ay eto ang message ni Tony. I love you so much, Polly. Happy third birthday. You are the life, laughter, and light of our family. Stay curious, stay brave, stay funny, and always keep that feisty little spirit of yours. May the world never dim the beautiful light inside you. Keep shining, my birthday girl. Samantala si Alice Gonzaga naman na sobrang love na love ang kanyang pamangkin ay nag-share ng maiksing video habang masaya silang nakikipagkulitan kay Polly. Caption ni Alex, "We love you, Polly. Can't wait makasama ka na namin sa chismisa ng mga mami. Ano kaya ang ambag mo?" Si Tony at Paul ay may dalawang anak na sa kasalukuyan, sina Sevi at Polly na talaga namang sobrang gwapo at ang ganda, mana sa mga magulang nila. Sa inyong palagay, sino ang mas kamukha ni Polly? Si Mami Tony or Daddy Paul? Share your comments below.
Who's winning?
Who's winning?
Oh, it's Polly! Very good,
Oh, look,
Polly.
Polly, there's a puppy here, oh. Look at the puppy here. Look at the puppy here. Look at my face. Here. Look at my face. Look at my face. Look, touch it. Touch the puppy here.
Empty.
It's empty.
It's done. I finish it. Oh, I finish it.
No, it's not ano.
Alam ko sinasabi.
Iba-iba naman na inilalagay. Hindi naman ano.
Oh,
All of it's finished. Where's the puppy?
Oh, you eat,
I
eat
found
first.
it.
Eat
I
first.
found it.
Oh, where's the puppy? Oh,
I
okay.
sing. Oh, the house fries chicken.
Can I have the fries? Can I have French fries?
Oh, they're there.
Can I have French fries?
And there's donut and burger.
Can I have French fries?
Look.
Can we have French fries? I'll get the fries. I ate the fries, okay?
Tata help me.
Oh,
Tata,
very,
help me. Wait, want fries?
Polly, you're very good, huh?
Let's get the French fries.
Also,